Hello, everybody. Matthew with Parkway Business Solutions. I wanted to share some pretty important information that's, it's very timely, of course. It has to do with payroll and payroll taxes. Now, every state is different, so it's really important that you need to look at your own state of what the requirements will be. However, for all the small businesses that are being impacted by COVID-19, one of the ways we can try to help them get more cash or fill up their cash coffer is to try to defer payroll tax payments. The difficulty where this comes into play is depending on your payroll provider. If you have a payroll provider that takes the money for both the payroll and the taxes all at the exact same time, it's important that you immediately reach out to them, find out exactly what it is they are doing for your state to be able to defer them taking that money. The intention here is we don't want the payroll provider to take the money and then have them sit on it and not pay those payroll taxes till 60 days, whatever your state would allow. We need that money to stay in the accounts of the small business owner. So whether you're using Augusto, ADP, Paychex, Intuit, any of these, I implore you all to definitely start to take a look, make the phone calls, find out what they have established to specifically allow you to defer those payroll tax payments and keep the money so it's not taken out of the account. Now, I reached out last week to Intuit, especially taking into consideration their more recent payroll service offerings, where they're all kind of considered full service now, which means they automatically take the money for the taxes. They automatically pay that. They have been working very, very hard towards this for some time, actually. The difficult part is because this process is different to every single state, it's not something they can just easily flip a switch and make this change. But I did want to share with everybody that they are aware of it. They are working very hard on it, and they're trying very hard to have something available for everybody this week. I can't promise on that. They're doing their best, of course. Now, to kind of share what I'm talking about, I can only speak about California because that's where we're at. In California specifically, if you wish to defer payroll tax payments, you are required to write in and make that request every single pay period, which means for all of our clients we do payroll, we're going to not only have to do that, we also have to provide that to Intuit. So there's going to be a major influx of these reporting requirements for every single pay period to say, hey, I wish to defer this out 60 days. So it's going to be that pay period plus 60 days, that pay period plus 60 days. So if they're doing a weekly payroll, every week you're going to be doing this. If we get ahead of it now, if we work with them, we can try to find a good solution towards this, but we need to actively be thinking about it if we're trying to keep that cash in our clients' banks. This is going to mean a lot of extra work on the payroll department as well. I implore you all to please be nice. Right now, a smile goes so much further than anything else. We're all kind of going through all this together, so it's going to be a little bit rough at the beginning. Stay nice. They deserve it. You deserve it. We all deserve it. So I hope this quick updated video helps people, at least makes you aware of something maybe you hadn't thought of. And of course, we'll continue to make videos and try to get more information out to everybody. But as always, here's wishing everybody a very, very successful week and a healthy week. Thanks, guys.